everyone, today we are going to see one of the best and most effective method for choosing the right keywords for your blog. It can be the blog title or the keywords inside your blog. So we are collecting all those different keywords which is having less SEO difficulty or they are not using by the other content creators. So we will collect all those keywords using different SEO tools, and we will put all those keywords inside our blog post, so the chances of your blog to come on the Google top searches will be very high. So let's see how we can use the SEO tools by collecting all different kind of keywords. So let's see how we can do this. Let's suppose I'm writing an article on this particular topic which is called Investing Guide for Beginners. So I just need to copy my title, Control C, and you need to paste in the oversuggest in the keyword analyzer panel. So I just paste my title here, and I need to choose the location which I am targeting for. So I'm just writing this article for India location. So when you click on the search, so it will suggest the results of all different web pages in the India. So it is, you can see the search volume per minute search, and you can see the SEO difficulty which is really low. You can see the 35. So we need to select only all those keywords which is having a less SEO difficulty, or you can say the below 30. So we are choosing all those keywords which is having less SEO difficulty. So you can see the paid difficulty which is really high. So we need to focus on the similar keywords which is in the next panel. So you can see the keyword ideas. When you go in the keyword ideas, you can just click on this view all keyword ideas. So when I click on this, it will show the more keyword ideas according to my keyword which I have searched, which is Investing Guide for Beginners. When you see this, or you can see there are a lot of more searches on the Google, and you can see the SEO difficulty. So just sort it out this list and choose which is having the less SEO difficulty. You can see the 4 and the green icon, you can see. So you need to select all those keywords which is having the very less SEO difficulty and try to include all these keywords, you can see. And also you need to target on the volume. So volume must be high. So like you can see the volume is high and the SEO difficulty is really less. This is the most important keyword for our blog, which is how to invest in the stock market beginners. And you can see the SEO difficulty is really less and the volume is really high. So just choose this keyword, or otherwise if you are choosing, just see this kind of keyword which is having the very high volume and less SEO difficulty. If you are writing an article on any topic, just paste your blog title and click on the choose the location and click on the search. So it will generate all the similar content keyword ideas according to your search. Just select all those keywords which you want and click on the edit to add list, or you can see the copy to clipboard, copy all. So I just copied all my keywords and paste my here and pasted here. So you see I have copied all my keywords which is good for my blog. So try to include all those keywords in your blog, so there are more chances for your blog to come on the Google top searches, whatever your topic is. So I just search this on the Google. When you see this is the most upcoming searches, just copy this link, copy the first URL link, just copy link address, go to the another tool which is called Moz, click on this ranking keyword. I will give the link of the description, don't worry, and paste the link over there and click on to choose the location which you are targeting for, or whatever. Just click on this analyze exact page, click on the analyze. So it will analyze this page and all those keywords which this website is ranking for. So you see this is the website ranking for investing for beginners, but we don't need to focus on, we need to focus on the difficulty level. So which is we are selecting the difficulty level is really less. Just see, or you can see difficulty not any, but we choose the difficulty between 1 to 30 level only. And click on the apply. So you see the difficulty level for this keyword, this is really less, and the article which is already ranked for. So just write the article on this which is having the very less SEO difficulty. So there are more keywords in this difficulty panel, or otherwise you can choose the volume. So we choose the volume minimum 100. So click on the apply, and you see the investmenting, and these are the two keyword which is I need to include in my blog, so there are very high chances of my blog to come on the world top searches. There are two Moz and Oversuggest, two free tools. If you want to more video on this particular tool, specifically on this tool, so I will explain about this tool and how you can use this tool to optimize your blog performance. So if you want this kind of video, click on the comment section. I will provide this. If you have any query, paste your queries in the comments. I will love to answer them. Thank you everyone. Goodbye. Have a great day.